there everyone! We hope that you are doing wonderful. Today is February 13th and we are kind of celebrating. The community that we live in has decided to do a Zoom virtual party for Valentine's Day, and of course we jumped in.
They gave us the canvases, these brushes, and these awesome paints.
So today you'll see us amateurs painting and having fun. I have already gone to the internet to find the inspirations on what we want to do, and I also have this cutout here with me which I prepared, which doesn't look so good right now, but it will. And I prepared it a few minutes ago so that we do not have to juggle things around on the spot.
Well, we are not painters, but at least we are prepared.
You'll see us. So the call starts in a few minutes. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
Let's do this. This is how this looks like at the end. Look at that. Aren't we amazing? So we really like the end product, even though it was our first time doing anything with the canvas and these kind of brushes. We really hope you enjoyed the video. Well, we didn't want to interrupt the call in between because there were other people, of course, so that's why we couldn't speak in between. But we really liked it. You know what, if you get an opportunity something like that, doing virtual painting or anything, go for it, I say, because it was really fun for us.
Yeah, it was a very enjoyable experience. I will definitely recommend it to you.
So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. As I said, that's the only way you can help us grow this channel. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye.